So hopefully you can hear with the wind noise, but right now I'm biking to pick up the rental for the day, the R8, and we are gonna head to the airport right after. Sweet, so we're trading the bike for this, and we got the other bike to match. And we are off, headed to the airport. Just to give you a little bit of context, this is Zach's absolute dream car, an Audi R8. We met, as a matter of fact, through an Audi TT, and I'll go into the story later. I'm gonna focus on driving right now, but off to the airport. After telling him that I was not going to be the one picking him up, and instead it was going to be my friend in the Prius, I'm about to the airport. We are one light away. Oh, check who it is. SoCal. So he said he was at tower number 11, and I'm gonna flip it around because I think we're here.
Yo!
What's up?
You finally did it! Look at this!
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah. No exposure, there we go. That's some better lighting. What are your thoughts?
It's the dream? I don't know.
Yeah. Welcome to California.
This is awesome.
I wanted to do this video to surprise you, so that's why I'm vlogging everything.
Yeah, you're good. This is freaking sweet.
Well, we're back at the house sitting with Zach. This is who I picked up from the airport. And I just wanted to hop on and do a quick Q&A. Is any of this scripted?
No.
Yeah, so he leaves this morning. We didn't get this video in, but he leaves pretty soon. So I wanted to do a quick Q&A on what the best experience you had was here, how we met, how your work with cars has shifted, how your mindset around cars has shifted and whatnot. So for question number one, what was the best part about here?
When we were cruising in Laguna, NSX, music blasting, sunset, it was awesome.
We had the NSX right here, and yeah, had the top off, blasted down PCH in Laguna Beach, and it was fun, for sure.
Awesome.
Went the speed limit and nothing above, of course. Always abide by the laws. So, how did we meet?
I bought an Audi from you.
Audi TT right here.
In Colorado. Yep.
So it was my first Colorado vehicle, which is crazy. It was a black TT with the, like, what is it?
Baseball leather.
Yeah, not tan, but like...
It's just brown.
Brown baseball leather, manual transmission. I drove up through the canyons with it and then ended up selling it to you and your family.
Yep.
That's how we met, which is cool. And then what about from there? We
just started hanging out. You just moved from Indiana and just kind of started chilling and ended up being a part of and learning from you and how to make money,
do car
cars
stuff,
and yeah, how to detail and all that kind of stuff.
So what were you doing then, and what were you driving then, and then now what are you doing and what are you driving, and what are a few of the vehicles that you've had?
So I was driving an Audi TT at the time.
As well, a silver one, right?
Yeah,
here.
a different one other than yours. And then I was working at Best Buy, and now I actually sell cars professionally at a dealer. And then I currently drive an Evo 10, a 92 Miata, and then this afternoon I'm actually buying a Camaro.
So why are you buying the Camaro?
To make some money.
To enjoy and to make some money.
Drive
So
for free.
we're speculating on this car. He was the one who found it. He was the one that found the deal and did all the numbers and checked the comps and did all that. But it's a 95. It's red, manual, Z28 V8. Cool car for sure. Anyway, so you have the Evo 10 now, which is super sweet. We'll throw in some clips and videos all over. And then the Miata that you got for an insane deal, you kind of wedged that. How much did you pay and what are the specs of the Miata?
I bought a 92 Miata with 130,000 miles. It's pretty much as perfect as it can be for $1,000.
Little asterisk, there is some paint. Some sun fade on the paint.
Yep.
But that's it.
Yep. Needed a clutch, so fixed that and it's ready to go.
Got it for super cheap. For anyone who knows Miatas and how they're actually going up in value, how they're a great investment piece, because you can drive them for free like crazy. There's such a big market share for these cars. You know how pricey they can be. It's hard to find a manual Miata for under 3K with reasonable mileage and a clean title, like even if it's in pretty rough shape.
Yeah.
So this one needed a clutch, and you got it for, do you mind sharing?
Yeah, $1,000.
$1,000 for this Miata, which is insane. So you have, what, maybe 2K in it after the clutch at a shop and paint and all that, and it will go for far above 2,000 whenever the time is that you sell it.
Yep.
And again, this car, if you follow the course, if you're in the program, you know about depreciation curves. But this car isn't one that goes down in value over time. It's actually one that's going to hold steady or go up in value. And so this is a really smart buy compared to lots of other alternatives.
Yeah.
Trying to think of what else to ask. You take insane car photos. That was actually one of the reasons you were out here getting way too many bike photos. I'll pop a whole bunch on the screen right here. And this has translated into your ability to sell cars, would you say?
Yeah, 100%.
Write good ads, take good photos, do all that, and then you do detailing. So he knows detailing more than I do as a, like, in the weeds, in the works with the most current products. I know the business side of detailing a little bit better, but I've stepped away to focus on arbitrage and marketing. I still do it, and I know the business side, but then the craft, the skill set side, he's more into than I, and we've kind of paired that, would you say?
Yeah, 100%.
So you do a little bit of detailing. His main gig obviously is at the car dealership and then Best Buy and whatnot.
Yep.
But then you've taken on how many clients, would you say?
I don't know, just under
half a dozen?
Yeah, ish.
Right around there. So just something that can be operated as a side hustle or side hobby, but then taking all of those detailing products that he already has and then putting a business model around that. Trying to think what else. What's your dream car? And what's, I would say, not after the Camaro, but what's next after a few? Like, what's aspirational?
The goal hopefully is to get an Audi R8 at some point. Here in the next little bit, probably shortly after the Camaro, probably to get a C7 Corvette as kind of a stepping stone, and then somewhere in there get a R35 GTR.
So these are all super fun and super crazy because he has a pic with the Corvette that I ended up crashing. There's a video that's linked below or will be coming, so subscribe so that you don't miss that one. But we got to drive around in that Corvette. That was fun in Colorado. And then I picked you up in the R8, which is crazy. I got to surprise him, as you saw earlier in this video. And the GTR, like, that's easily attainable. Yep. Because they don't depreciate. That's another amazing car. I've had two so far. Maybe on my way to get a third. We'll see. A little spoiler. But anything else?
I don't think so.
Wicked. Well, we need to head out to the airport. Hopefully you like this video. He's headed back now, but surprising him and sharing with him all the experiences here for the week was amazing, and it wouldn't have been possible if I didn't do arbitrage or marketing or have an automotive business. And so this is one of the incredible byproducts that you get through starting an automotive business. You meet new people, car enthusiasts, marketing clients, detailing clients. You have a similar passion. You're all in your area of expertise kind of with cars. So you get to meet awesome people, have friendships that are going to last a lifetime on top of all of the money that you make working with cars and marketing, detailing, arbitrage, whatever. So if you're interested in learning how you can put a business structure around your detailing skill set, if you want to learn the most highly profitable business in the auto industry, which is marketing, then hit the link down below. And of course, if you want to learn how to buy and sell cars, how to drive for free, and do all of that, which is how we met, then hit that link down below. With that in mind, I will see you on the next one.